Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my Linktree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is wisdom, knowledge, understanding. It's time to work smart, not hard. I know that you're the king. I know you're the queen. You're the royal court, royal minded, but the king and the queen, they need to ask for advice at times, and they have a humble, teachable heart where they actually make sure they execute. God has a plan for you. I live here and now knowing beauty is to come. I don't force things to happen faster than the universe has decided for me. I learn from my experiences and become stronger. Take small steps in faith to succeed. And thanks to all my efforts, you are a success. You're stronger. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, the Spirit is actually building you up right now so you can maintain bigger blessings in your life. But work smart, not hard. It doesn't prove that you're doing your best from being exhausted. Is by being efficient. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too.